Hello, my name is Robin Maudlin. I have an adult daughter named Anna with cystic fibrosis.
Hello, my name is Alicia Maciel. I have an adult son named Mark Anthony with cystic fibrosis.
Together, Alicia and I want to extend a warm invitation to our fellow mothers of children and adults with cystic fibrosis. Join us at our upcoming Embrace Retreat on May 2nd, 3rd, and 4th at the Vallombrosa Retreat Center in Menlo Park, California.
The theme of this year's retreat is Restoring Our Wholeness. Together, we'll create a sanctuary where our experiences as CF mothers can be fully seen, held, and honored.
This year, we will offer the Broken Bowl process, where each participant will break, decorate, and restore a ceramic bowl, mending the cracked seams with gold. The CF diagnosis shattered our expectations, yet we continue gathering the pieces to create something new for our lives.
In this intimate gathering, we'll share meals, stories, and understanding with others who know the unique path we walk. At this time on this journey, we may feel we have lost ourselves. Embrace is a place to come and restore and find our center again.
This retreat provides a chance to remember who we are beyond our CF mom roles, to find renewed strength and authentic connection. Please join us. Spaces are limited, and use the QR code to register soon.
See you there!